Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to turn on and turn off grid. So if you want to turn on, you can go to view menu, click on grid and editing plans options, and you can click grid and background tools. Will be show for the dialog box, and to show the grid you can check show construction grid, click OK to apply. So we have grid in this layer, and you also can use the snapping like this grid snap to snap every grid if you want. If you want to turn off, you can go back again into view, uncheck for grid snap, and also you can go to grid and editing plan option, click on grid background again, and then you can uncheck show construction grid. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to turn on and turn off grid.